got on Facebook for $45. And her and I are going to teach you how to make crushed avocado and chips. And also this weekend is the Super Bowl and Puppy Bowl weekend. I like to watch the Puppy Bowl, and it's really cute. So this is for you and your dog. Don't give this to your dog because it's not very good to dogs. So the things you're gonna need is bottle caps, 2 of them, 2 bowls like this one, an avocado, and salt and pepper, and lime juice is optional. So let's get on. So first you're gonna have to destroy the avocado with adult supervision. You will cut the avocado. And I'm just gonna help you. It comes out. So if you see this is you need it as no seed, but the pit is over here. You will need to get the seed out. You can actually plant a tree. Then you gotta get the fruit part of it out. Then you need to squeeze it into the bowl. So next you're gonna squeeze the pit out of the one with the pit. Then you gotta squeeze the part, the squishy, the inside part, into a bowl. The other part, here it is. Then to add spices, you add your salt, your pepper. I like to add extra pepper. And then a little lime juice just to keep it brown, turning brown. Then you will mix it. And mix it. Then there's crushed avocado. Now for the doll, to make it doll size, you will need to take one of your bottle caps. Make sure you wipe it off before putting it in the bottle cap. Make sure to stir it up a lot so it becomes almost like guacamole. Then you gotta take your, this is gonna be the guacamole for your doll, so you gotta put it in here. So it'll be a lot of guacamole for the doll. Almost looks like a coconut, like a green coconut. Then for yourself, you will get like a large bowl, like the one that you stir it in. Or you can just keep it in that bowl, the bowl that you stir it in. Then you'll need some chips. So next you'll use your bag of chips. I'm using organic sea salt, cinnamon, crust-free, and late July snacks. For the doll one, I'm going to show you the doll one first. You're going to take your other bottle cap. You're just going to, like, I'll show you with this one. Just like kind of crack it to make it smaller, like this small. Just like crack it, the bowl. almost like starts like crumbles. Just keep on cracking it. Guacamole, so your dog can dip the chips in the guacamole, or avocado smash is what we call it. And also, for you, you can just use normal sized chips. And you can eat it too, so you can enjoy this with your doll during the Super Bowl or Puppy Bowl, or just anytime you want a snack. Of course, your dog can eat it. Don't actually put it to her face, just like do that. It's also really great if you want to, like a stop motion, or just have them eating food. This is edible. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.